vocal mixing tutorial. This guy asked for vocals. FWKL, shout out to you, bro. This video is for you. Let's make a beat. Alright, I finished the guitar parts. I'm just gonna arrange everything now. I just added the same preset that I used in my last video if you want to check it out. Alright, so we'll start with mic track. On mine, I have DLA 76 compressor. Compressors just kind of smooth out your vocals. This is good. You should get this. Copy this. These are good compressor settings. Then again, you're gonna have to mess with stuff to make it sound good with your voice. But these are my settings. This is my de-esser. I just messed around until my S's didn't sound like as harsh. Maximus settings, more so for the mids. My vocals. Fruity limiter I'm using. Thing. Oh, whoa, yeah. I wrote down some lyrics.
This late James Payne like a panther. Disgrace my grace for the anthem. Hey fake, hate snakes, but I am one. This late Chase Payne like a panther. Hey fake, hate snakes, but I am one. This late Chase Payne like a panther.
But I am one.
Hey fake, hate snakes.
Hey fake, hate snakes, but I am one. His late Chase Payne like a panther. You know what you did to me. I don't know what you did to me. I don't.
Slate Chase Payne like a panther. Disgrace my grace for that.
You know what you did to me. I don't know what you did to me. I see something that you don't see.
Hey, but I am one. It's late Chase Payne like a panther. Disgrace my grace for the anthem. I would take it, get your head put up for ransom. Disgrace you fast, it's a man's gun. I hate my past, but I am one. This game won't last, it's a L one. Some of you know it's not going tantrum. You know what you did to me. I don't know what you did to me. I see just a masker. I hate my past, but I am one. This game won't last, it's a hell one. Somebody eating on the stuff, throw a tantrum.
I exported everything, right? Duplicated it another 2 times. I panned one all the way left and all the way right. Kept one in the center. Put a delay on it.
Cursed for life.
EQ, taking out the low end. A little bit of distortion up here. Just regular A preset turned down. And leveled everything. For my main, for the one in the middle, I have this bottom EQ like this. Taking out a little bit more of the lows. And taking out some of the highs and a little bit of the mids. It's just kind of like volume leveling, laying everything in good with the beat. That is the song and the beat. If you liked it, yeah, I'm gonna do a giveaway for 500 subscribers. I'm gonna give away Scarlett interface and a mic. I'll see you guys later.